As a manager, one of the biggest challenges is keeping track of your finances without spending countless hours manually sorting through spreadsheets or dealing with complex accounting software. If you've ever struggled with trying to streamline accounting, you know how overwhelming it can be. QuickBooks in this regards is an intuitive accounting platform designed to simplify financial management, offering solutions that help you stay on top of your books, whether it's tracking expenses, generating invoices, or preparing tax reports. In today's video, we'll walk you through how QuickBooks can solve these common pain points, and we'll dive into its key features that make accounting easier and more efficient than ever. The first step to getting started with QuickBooks is setting up your account. Head over to the QuickBooks website and either log in if you already have an account or go ahead and create one. If this is your first time, setting up a new account is super straightforward. You'll be asked to enter some basic details about your business, so just follow the prompts. Once you're inside your account, go up to the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen and click on Account and Settings. Here's where you'll set up all the essential company information. You'll want to enter your business name, contact info, and even your logo if you have one. QuickBooks makes sure all of this information appears on your invoices, so setting it up now will save you time later. You can also select the industry and structure that best matches your business, which helps in personalizing QuickBooks settings just for you. After adding your business details, you can even customize your invoices. To do this, go to Sales, then Sales Form Content. QuickBooks offers options to choose the invoice color, add your logo, and pick design options that match your brand. Think about it this way. Setting this up once means every invoice looks consistent, which adds a professional touch. With your account ready, now it's time to add your customers. This step is crucial because it ensures that each time you create an invoice, your customer's details will already be stored. To add a new customer, go to the Sales tab on the left and click on Customers. Then select New Customer and fill in their details. You'll want to add basic information like their name, address, and contact info. QuickBooks even lets you set specific payment terms for each customer. So, if you have a client who prefers a net 30 payment term while others prefer a net 15, you can customize that for each one. Once you've entered all the details, click Save. Now, the customer is officially saved in QuickBooks, and this will make invoicing much quicker in the future. Instead of manually entering the same information every time, QuickBooks auto-fills the saved details. It's little steps like these that add up, which makes invoicing faster and more accurate. Alright, now let's talk about creating an invoice. QuickBooks makes it really simple to set up an invoice and send it out to customers. Head over to Sales on the left menu, click on Invoices, and then choose New Invoice. First, you'll select the customer's name from a drop-down menu. Since we already saved this customer, QuickBooks will automatically fill in their information. Next, add the line items. QuickBooks lets you choose a product or service from your saved items, or if it's something new, you can quickly add it on the spot by clicking Add New. Now, write a short description of the product or service and enter the quantity, rate, and any discount if it applies. This part is really flexible, which allows you to add specific details for each customer's invoice. Make sure you set the payment terms, and if it's not already preset, go ahead and specify if it's due in 15, 30, or however many days. When you've got everything filled in, double-check the invoice date, due date, and total amount. Then, when you're sure it's correct, click on Save and Send to email it directly to the customer. QuickBooks keeps a copy saved for your records, so you'll always have easy access to it. Let's move on to receiving and recording payments. When a customer pays, you want to make sure QuickBooks reflects that. Go to Sales, then Invoices, and find the invoice for which you've received payment. Open the invoice, then click Receive Payment. QuickBooks will ask you to select the payment method. Choose how the customer paid, whether by check, credit card, or bank transfer. Next, you'll pick the deposit location, like your bank account, so that QuickBooks records where the payment goes. If the customer made only a partial payment, enter the amount received, and QuickBooks will automatically adjust the outstanding balance. Finally, hit Save and Close. The invoice status updates to reflect that the payment was received, which helps you keep track of incoming funds without much hassle. When you start receiving payments, they'll be deposited into your bank account, and QuickBooks can help you match these bank transactions with your recorded payments. Go to Banking on the left menu, then select the bank account where customer payments are deposited. QuickBooks usually suggests matches for each bank transaction based on the information you've entered, which is helpful in staying organized. To confirm a match, review the details of the deposit and payment. If everything aligns, click Match. This keeps your books accurate and avoids any duplication of income, so your financial records stay clean and easy to understand. One of the major benefits of QuickBooks is its reporting feature. You can generate reports that give you a clear view of invoices and payments, which is especially useful when you're reviewing your monthly or quarterly finances. To access reports, go to Reports in the left navigation bar. For a quick summary of all your invoices and payments, you can choose Invoices and Received Payments. This report displays all invoices sent and payments received within a specified time frame. Another helpful report is the Aging Summary, which shows overdue invoices and helps you manage outstanding balances. You can adjust these reports by changing the date range, filtering by customer, or choosing specific payment statuses. If you want to keep physical copies, QuickBooks allows you to export reports as PDF or Excel files. And that's a complete guide to managing invoices and payments with QuickBooks. By following these steps, you're setting up a well-rounded system to make your invoicing more efficient and help you stay on top of payments. QuickBooks features are here to make your life easier, so give these tips a try. Once you're comfortable with these steps, handling invoices and payments will feel like a more easy task.